So if you like visiting Spain, or maybe even living here, well, then I have a question for you. How good is your Spanish? Now, if you're already fluent in Spanish, then this video is not for you, you can just skip it. But if you tried to learn Spanish in the past, but you still struggle to express yourself, or if you want to learn Spanish from scratch, well, then I have an important message for you. Because your fluency in Spanish, become fluent in Spanish is not a matter of knowing thousands and thousands of words and knowing all the grammar, but it's more about the relevance of the words that you know and your ability to use these words in real conversations. In other words, it's more about saying more with less. But how do you do that? Hey, my name is Jan van der A, and over the last 10 years, my friend Lucas and I have learned over 20 languages in over 100 countries. And we developed a methodology that allows you to speak a new language right from the beginning, and we've called it the More with Less method. Now, again, if you want to learn Spanish from scratch, or if you need to relearn the basics, we invite you to sign up for our 3-part video course where we show you exactly how this method works and how you can use it to go to the next level in Spanish. So, click on the link below, sign up, and then we will see you on the other side.